All right, guys, I'm back. This is day 3 of my juicing experiment with my Nama J2 juicer. This one is called the flu shot. It has celery, green apples, lime, or is it lemon? Look, what's the difference? I know one is green, one is yellow. But don't they both have the same effect and the same benefits? Anyway, before I get distracted. This is called the flu shot. I'm looking at my recipe over there on my phone. We have celery, spinach, kale, cucumber, green apple. I have the green one, the lemon, cilantro, and parsley. Did I mention cucumber? Yes. So it's got the flu shot. I'm going to put that in there. You can watch it blend. Let me know all your opinion. Who wants to join me? You guys, wouldn't this be fun if we all do this together? Cool. You have to put the soft leafy vegetable in the bottom. So let me get this out of the way. Okay, are we ready, you guys? Is this recording? You know the sun is shining in my face, so then I have the light on in the kitchen, so if I can't see, please forgive me. I hope I don't mess this up. Okay, I think I will do 2 of them. All right, did I put any spinach in there? I don't know. Somebody help me. Angel, where are you when I need your help? Okay, and we'll put green stuff. Angel, is that you there, baby? Oh my goodness, that's Angel. Oh my goodness, I got my celery. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. All right, hit it. All right, I'm in business, y'all. I'm a professional juicer now. What's up? You like my t-shirt? I designed it. I am a warrior, not a warrior. You got it? So, I'm gonna let this blend and I'll come back. I just love this because all you gotta do is just get your recipe. Of course, I prep this all ahead of time. And let me give you some secret. Let me close this. When it comes to washing your green leafy vegetables, because sometimes they spray some stuff over those things that we don't know. Get a nice big, if your sink is big enough, you can clean it up properly. And apple cider vinegar, hold up. The organic one, apple cider vinegar, right? So fill up your sink or a nice big bowl. For all, I wash my vegetables, my celery, everything, I put them in there. Some warm water, not hot, warm, from your faucet. Apple cider vinegar. Shake it because when you settle, it has some stuff on the bottom, so shake it properly. Put it there. A baking soda. Stir them up good, and then dump all your vegetables. Or if you can get 2 or 3, what I do, I have my leafy vegetables in one bowl, and then I have the apples, and then, well, however you want to put it. But the purpose of the apple cider vinegar and the baking soda is to remove all those toxins, all those sprays, even bacteria, anything that is, during the process, out of the process of growing, the process of harvesting, the process of transportation to your supermarket, all kinds of, bacteria, salmonella. I'm just saying, but you rinse it up 2 or 3 times. And the fresh apple cider vinegar with baking soda, you rinse that up. Then you rinse it again, you dump that water, because sometimes those vegetables have sand on the bottom. I noticed that. Because the roots and everything, I use them. So, ooh, this is getting full. Can y'all see this? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Somebody. Oh, I need a refill. So, hold on. So, I like the safety feature, because once you pop the lid, it stops. So, that's good. If you have kids and little ones that wants to help you, you don't have to worry about them getting hurt or anything. You just put the hands in the machine, the some went down, you know what I'm saying? So I like that safety features. So what was I saying? Okay, somebody talk to me. I want to make sure you're paying attention. Your apple cider vinegar, you use that to wash your vegetables. So I washed them in the fresh apple cider vinegar water. Like, waste that, because sometimes you see some sand on the bottom of that. Then I fill up another bowl, another one with apple cider vinegar and baking soda. rinse. I rinse it like 2 or 3 times in apple cider of baking soda water, and then I rinse it with regular clean water after that to make sure it's cleaned properly. Because you're eating this thing raw. If you are cooking them, I wouldn't force, you know, because you're cooking, any bacteria might die. All right. So we're back. So that's how I clean my vegetables with apple cider vinegar and baking soda, nice and clean and sanitized. Because you know, if you're eating something raw and you don't wash it properly, you know what's gonna happen. You might get tummy ache. Your tummy might ache you, some infection from, depending how it was handled, from the farm into the packaging site. Then in the supermarket, when they come there, they have to unpackage it or repackage it, put it on the shelf. You don't know what people's hands been, if it's sneezing. I don't know, but I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm not trying to be gross, but we have to be realistic. So when it comes to any, that's why I don't eat most of those salads. They even have the leafy vegetables and stuff in the bag. You can buy them from Sam's Club, the big ones. And I see people just take them out of the bag and use them to eat and cook and juice. Even if I do that, I still have to wash it. I'm sorry. Yes, they may have washed it, but I don't trust. So I do my best. I wash it, but you may trust them, and you may have never had issue. It's okay. I've never had issue because I always wash them. But I want you guys to share your juice recipe with me. And like I said in my earlier videos, let's get started. Let's start our New Year's resolution together. Let's not wait for January. Let's start now. Are you with me? So leave. I will have my email in the video. Oh, this is getting full. I have my email in the video. For you to send me email like recipes. Send me your recipes, and we can share recipes together. Maybe if you're part of a Facebook group or Instagram group, tag me, or I want to join that, because I'm searching for great recipes. You know, detox your system, build up your immune system, lose some weight, of course, clean all your organs internally, externally. You can have beautiful skin. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this is, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. I'm like a kid with a new toy. Excuse